Hello YouTube, Ian here. Here today to show you my latest and greatest piece of art. It's this eyeball. I don't quite have a name for it yet, but maybe you can help me out in the comments. So, like all of my work, it's got a natural element. In this case, it's some American mahogany, and a technology element, which is the circuit board in the middle. It's got those addressable WS2812 LEDs and my favorite 328PB microcontroller that's driving them with an AI written sketch. I designed those flashing LEDs, the amber and green ones. They're supposed to look like Ethernet link lights, and the white ones are just, I don't know, something I came up with. This piece is like the rest of my work in that it's kind of an exploration into what the post-singularity future might look like when in 2029 is the prediction. The artificial intelligence will exceed the capacity of human intelligence, and sometime after that, the only way for us humans to keep up with it will be to merge with it. Whether that's scary, bad, ugly, good, you name it, I definitely say it's fascinating. So my artwork is an exploration into what that might look like. I don't think it's outlandish at all to think that we might start to see people with vision disorders that would otherwise make their eyes useless will probably be the first ones to try it, but to replace our eyeballs with a camera, basically, that's projecting images into your brain. And then I would venture to say sometime after that, it'll become attractive to voluntarily take your eyeballs out and replace them with a mechanical eyeball just because it's better. Imagine being able to see in the dark or have X-ray vision. I don't know. It's science fiction for now, so yeah, my artwork is kind of an exploration into this now science fiction, possibly realistic future of the world. I'm going to make this a one-shot video and just let this record for 15 minutes or so. So keep watching if you want to see more blinking lights. And I'll put a link to my Etsy store where I'll have these available in the description. And you can check out my website, iandunnart.com also. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.